Hello, welcome to our next series of learning. Let's get into our garden to explore what is in it for you. Wow, it looks colorful. The boy is busy planting and is enjoying himself with his friend in the garden. Let us ask him what he has grown and explore it together. I am excited, aren't you? Hey, champ, will you guide our viewers into your garden and help them learn a new set of vocabulary today? Sure, I will. Let us go inside. This is how our farm looks like. Are you excited to know the process of farming? Yes. First, we have to prepare the soil, which involves plowing and leveling. Second, selection and sowing of seed. Third, irrigation, watering of crops. Fourth, weeding and crop protection. Fifth, harvesting the crops. And lastly, storage. Farming is a long and enjoying process. Let us see what have our farmers grown and stored. That's a lot. Let us learn one by one. Oh, le premier qui vient, c'est l'oignon. Et le deuxième qui arrive, c'est la tomate. Et le troisième qui arrive, c'est la carotte. Et le suivant, c'est l'aubergine. Et le suivant, c'est le gombo, lady's finger. Et le gombo, lady's finger, était donc le dernier légume que nous avons vu aujourd'hui. Et c'était vraiment très bien. Thank you. It was a wonderful journey to your garden. We hope you learned a lot about the process of farming and a whole new set of vocabulary. Comment below for the new set of vegetables vocabulary that you are looking for. It was great working in the garden with you. It was Faustin from Manjaree Academy. See you in our next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more fun. Thank you. Bye bye.